Here you watch how I started to build my 2.2 kenne bell setup for my 3.8 Super Coupe. First I used a vanilla folder to start making an inlet plenum, something easy to make. And then we started to make it out of some steel. And here we start to mock up the inlet box for where the throttle body's going to hook up. Could be made a little better, but this thing works out pretty good. When I got this thing all built, I ended up taking it to a real welder and had him weld it. This is how we made the A brace. Help support the front of the supercharger. Everything lined up real good once we got to this point. This is an adapter plate for the outlet. Here's the engine inlet plenum. Got a bypass valve for a Mini Cooper made for this thing to work. This is the custom inlet plenum I made after we got it all painted. Looks pretty good. Turned out real well. Works alright. This is with the plenum bolted to the supercharger. Here we're working on refabbing the intercooler piping to work with this supercharger. Car already had a big front mount. Here we gotta rework the intake, get the air filter to mount in the right spot. Here's after we had all the pipes welded before powder coat. This is some of the fuel system parts we put on here. We ran all -8 feed lines, -6 return lines. It has -8 rails. We installed 120-pound injectors in this. It's all set up for E85, but we still run pump 93 in this car. Never had to set up for the E85 to run in it yet. Here's the whole fuel system plumbed after we got everything made. Here's the supercharger mounted in place to make sure everything's clearing. And this is the final setup. It turned out sweet.